Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this one pot chicken and potato skillet. Now guys, this is one of them super easy meal that you guys will not regret. Okay, so let's cook. Here I have 4 large white potatoes and I'm just going to cut these in wedges. I'm gonna leave the skin on, so just cut them like that. That's fine. I think this one is a little bit too big. Okay. Those are good. Wedges. And this meal is so simple, guys. So simple and delicious. Okay, that's perfect. Pull them back in here. Okay guys, to season, I'm just adding some oil. Garlic, chop the garlic in oil. Here I have Greek season, Old Bay season, black pepper and paprika. Just add all that to it. And here I have Cajun season, onion powder, garlic powder, and rosemary. Just all that. And you're just gonna mix. Well. And now we're gonna head on over to the stove and we're gonna start frying these for about 2 minutes on each side. I'm gonna add our potatoes. So guys, you can either cook your potatoes the way I'm doing right now, or you guys can par cook your potatoes, which will accelerate the cooking time. Then you fry it, which is, you know, easier. But what I'm doing is I'm frying mine, then I'm going to be finishing it in the oven. So guys, now that our potatoes are almost there, I'm just gonna remove the first batch, putting it in a sheet pan lined with foil. I'm gonna finish the second batch that I'm just gonna be swooping it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's cooked through. Now guys, the reason I fry this is because I wanted to have that crisp on the outside, but after I'm just gonna finish it off in the oven for 15 minutes. And there you have it. So now I'm just gonna finish it in the oven for, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes max. So guys, in the same bowl that I seasoned my wedges, I'm just going to season my chicken strips in that same bowl. Now we want to practically add the same season, rosemary. So this is rosemary and Greek season. This is paprika. Here we have Old Bay season, and this is Cajun season right here. Here we have garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and Maggi all-purpose season. And guys, when I tell you this was so well seasoned, all the right flavors were there. And the rosemary, it just gives it gives it this extra flavor where I'm not a big fan of rosemary, but trust me, this was amazing. This was super good. I'm definitely gonna be trying this again soon. Okay, so now I'm gonna be sauteing some peppers in that same cast iron that I cooked the potatoes in. And I'm just going to be sauteing those for about 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna be adding my chicken. Now you want to continue tossing and turning your chicken until it's well cooked through. If you guys also want to add a little bit of chicken broth marinade or whatever you guys have, you can go ahead and add that, just a little bit, about quarter of a cup. And you guys can also put it in the oven, you know, for 5 minutes, because remember, this is chicken breast we're cooking. So when you put it in the oven, you just want all that juice, you know, just to absorb in the chicken, giving it this amazing flavor. So now our chicken is almost there, almost, guys. Now if you guys don't want to add potatoes to this, you can even put it over rice. It doesn't have to be a one pot meal. You can just put this over some rice, and yeah, or even mashed potatoes if you guys have. But anyways, guys, this was one of them dishes that is super easy super easy. You practice, you won't regret it, guys. But anyways, this is the finished product. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also remember to like, comment, share, guys. Most importantly, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.